Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to make a super delicious stuffed salmon. To get started, here are the ingredients I will be using. Here I have some crab meat, some cream cheese, and I'll be using some spinach. What I did was chop the spinach and I place it in a saucepan and allow it to wilt. That's all I did, no seasonings or anything added. And here I have my salmon fillets that I went ahead and washed in vinegar and lemon juice, and I pat them dry. I also will be using some complete seasoning, black pepper, Old Bay seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, and parsley. Next, we'll season the crab meat with some black pepper and Old Bay seasoning. Remember guys, less is always best. It is very easy to over season seafood and make it salty. You don't want that. Then we will add the cream cheese and the spinach and mix until well combined. And once it's well combined, this is how it should be looking. Now we'll set this aside and move on to the next step. Now we will combine all of the seasonings we'll be using to season the salmon. Remember guys, all of the detailed ingredients and measurements will be listed down in my description box. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, this is your chance to go right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you'd be notified every time I upload new videos. Next, we'll generously coat the salmon with our seasoning rub, making sure that it's evenly coated with the seasonings. We will season it on both sides and allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes. Next, we'll go ahead and make some incisions right at the side of our salmon. We want to make a little pocket so that we'll be able to stuff our salmon. So we'll make an incision in there like so. And you want to go as deep as possible, but you don't want to cut the other side. You want to still have it remain intact, but you make a pocket as deep as possible and leave the other side, intact. And we'll do this with all of them, and then I'll show you guys the next step. Now we'll go ahead and we'll stuff our salmon. Now what I did was take away half of that filling and I saved it and I'll use it as a dip. I like to eat it with chips and that's what I'll do. But I will put the correct amount of measurements down in the description box that you need so you won't have any leftover. And now we'll go ahead and just simply put our stuffing inside of the salmon. And it's so simple and easy to do, guys. You just put a heaping spoon in there and stuff the salmon, but don't overfill them because they have a way of oozing out. Once they get into the pan to sear, they might ooze out. So you don't want that. Don't overfill them, just put enough. And we'll continue this process until we are all done. So now that we're done with all the prepping, it's finally time to cook the salmon. Now we'll head over to the stove and give them a good sear. Here in my preheated skillet, I will now cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I had my heat on high, but I just turned it down to medium because you don't want to cook them too fast and burn them. So we will cook these for about 3 minutes on each side and we'll be ready to serve. And guys, this is my take on a delicious stuffed salmon. I will be serving this up with some cilantro lime rice and some sauteed asparagus. I do hope you guys give the recipe a try, and if you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all the ingredients and the measurements down in my description box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy!